Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss how we can magnetize a soft iron bar and how earth behaves as a magnet. First of all, we will discuss how we can keep the magnet safe. Magnets should always be stored in keepers. Keepers are the pieces of iron that are placed across the two poles of a magnet. Magnets should always be stored in pairs with their opposite poles facing each other. The two iron strips are placed at either end of the pair of magnets. Never heat the magnet, never drop from height, and never beat with hard object. Now we will discuss how we can magnetize a soft iron bar. Bring a permanent magnet near a soft iron bar. It will induce magnetism, and two unlike faces should be observed towards each other during magnetic induction. By passing electric current, we can magnetize a soft iron bar. Wrap a coil of wire around a soft iron core. Pass the current through it. When the electric current flows through the wire, a magnetic field is developed around the wire. An iron core becomes magnetized. This is known as electromagnet and is made by passing electric current. Place the iron piece on the table. Rub the magnet along the entire length of the iron piece. When you reach the other end, lift the magnet, hold it again over the first end and rub again. Repeat this process 30 to 40 times. Iron piece will become magnet. Do you know our earth behaves as a big magnet? We know that at the center of the earth lies a molten metallic iron-rich core, and this core is spinning. Metals in the core have loosely bound electrons, and that these electrons can conduct electricity. It is the mass of moving electrons which produces magnetic field. The magnetic south pole of the earth is situated near the geographical north pole, and the magnetic north pole of the earth is situated near the geographical south pole. So, when you suspend a magnet freely, its north pole is attracted by the magnetic south pole of the earth, and south pole of a magnet is attracted by the magnetic north pole of the earth. Now, there are many uses of magnets. They are used in electric bells, in electric cranes, in speakers, in MRI machines, in ATM and other swipe cards. Thank you and have a nice day.